Good morning students. In our yesterday class, I have started new chapter that is lines and angles. In that chapter, I have explained you supplementary angles, complementary angles, adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles. Now I am starting from exercise 13, question number 4. The rest of the questions I will do in recorded videos only. So you just listen carefully and do the given work in your copy. Suppose in question number 3, what they have given you, there are two supplementary angles. Now what are supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are those angles whose measurement is always 180 degree. That means दो एंगल दिए रहेंगे और अगर उनका टोटल 180 डिग्री हो रहा है तो they are known as supplementary angles. So in this question, two supplementary angles are there and the measure of the larger angle is 36 degree more than the measure of the smaller one. That means they have not given you the exact measurement. They have just given you the information that the larger angle is how much more? It is 36 degree more than the measure of the smaller one. And what you have to find out? You have to find out the exact measures. So how you will do this? You will take the smaller angle be x. So your larger angle will be x plus 36. Okay. So I am doing in the register. You just see. Question number 3. You don't know the measurement of smaller angle. So can I say let the measure of, I am doing only the solution, you will write question also. Let the measure of smaller angle be x so the measure of larger angle equals to x plus 36 because it is given in the question that the larger angle is 36 degree more than the smaller one. So if the smaller angle is x, then your larger angle will be x plus 36. Now you all know that what is the, when you add both this, you will get the answer as 180 degree. Why? Supplementary angles. They have already given you in the question that these two angles are supplementary angles, and we know that the total of supplementary angles is 180 degree. So this is the smaller angle plus this is the larger angle and their sum will be 180 degree. Now you will solve the equation. So x is given 2 times. So x plus x4. Can I write like this? 2x. X plus x will become 2x plus 36 equals to 180 degree. Now I will shift this 36 to the right hand side because we cannot add this. Why? Because here the variable is given. Yes or no? X is given. So you cannot add this. So you will take 36 on the right hand side. So it will be, it is plus 36. So when it will shift to the right hand side, it will become minus 36. So 2x equals to 180 degree minus 36 degree. So 2x equals to 180 minus 36 will be 10 minus 6 will be 4, 7 minus 3 will be 4 and 144 degree. Now I want the smaller one, that means I want only x. तो this is 2x मतलब क्या हो गया, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x हो गया. तो अगर यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई है and if I take this 2 here, so it will become division. So can I write like this, x equals to 144 by 2, because here it is multiplication and I am shifting this number to the right hand side, so it will become division. Now I will divide it. So 2 1 times and 2 72 times. So my x is 72 degree. Now what was x? The smaller angle. So therefore I can write, therefore the measure of smaller angle is 72 degree and the measure of larger angle equals to x plus 36 equals to x is 72 plus 36 equals to 6 plus 2 8 and 7 plus 3 10, 108 degree. When you add 108 and 72, you will get answer as 180, which is the total of supplementary angles. Is it clear? Now question number 4. Now students, see question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. So what will be the supplement of any angle? If I am asking you supplement, that means उसका half हो जाएगा. 90 degree and 90 degree will make 180 degree. यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो कैन आई टेक वन एंगल भी x, तो अदर एंगल क्या हो जाएगा, वो भी x हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इक्वल है ये, विच इज़ इक्वल, इक्वल लिखा हुआ है. इज इट क्लियर? सो आई कैन राइट लाइक दिस. Let the supplement angles be x. दोनों इक्वल हैं, इसलिए दोनों को हम क्या लेंगे, x लेंगे. Now x plus x will become 180 degree. Why? सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स है तो उनका मेजरमेंट हमेशा क्या रहेगा, 180 डिग्री रहेगा. So supplementary angles. Now x plus x will become 2x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 divided by 2. So x equals to 90 degree. So I can write, therefore the measure of the angle which is equal to its supplement is 90 degree. Is it clear? Now see question number 5. In question number 5, they have asked you that can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute or obtuse or right. इसका मतलब ये है कि क्या दो एंगल्स सप्लीमेंट्री हो सकते हैं अगर दोनों एंगल्स एक्यूट हैं. एक्यूट मतलब विच इज़ लेस देन 90 डिग्री. ऑब्ट्यूज मतलब विच इज़ मोर देन 90 डिग्री. एंड राइट मतलब which is exactly 90 degree. तो एक्यूट होंगे. तो सपोज इफ आई गिव द एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई टेक द एग्जाम्पल, डोंट राइट दिस. सपोज अगर मैं एक्यूट ले रही हूँ, सपोज 89 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री तो मैं ले नहीं सकती, और एक लेती हूँ मैं 60 डिग्री. तो क्या इनका जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर 180 डिग्री आना चाहिए सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल के लिए. सो 89 + 60 विल बिकम हाउ मच? 149 डिग्री. सो 149 इज स्मॉलर देन 180 डिग्री. So it is not a supplementary angle. ये supplementary angle नहीं होगी. Suppose if I take both 89 and 89, because I cannot take 90 degree. 90 degree right angle हो जाएगा, हमें acute angle चाहिए. 89 + 89 करो, 9 + 9 will become 8, 178 degree. Is it equal to 180 degree? No, it is smaller than 180 degree. So it is not a supplementary angles. So these were the example of acute angles. That means अगर दोनों angles acute होंगे तो वो supplementary angles नहीं होंगे. Now I will take example of obtuse angles. Suppose 90 डिग्री से ऊपर ले लेते हैं, 91 डिग्री + 91 डिग्री. एग्जैक्टली 180 डिग्री होगा तो ही वो सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल हो सकता है, वरना नहीं हो सकता. So here 182 degree. Now 182 degree is greater than 180 degree. That means it is not supplementary angles. Now another example I can take. 100 is also obtuse angle, and 120 degree is also obtuse angle. So add it. 220 degree, it is greater than 180 degree. So it is not supplementary angles. But in case two angles are right angles, जब दो एंगल राइट एंगल्स रहते हैं, that means उनका मेजरमेंट कितना हो रहा है? exactly 90 डिग्री. So 90 + 90 is 180 degree, and 180 degree equals to 180 degree. So can I say that it is supplementary angles? Is it clear? So acute angles और obtuse angle कभी भी supplementary angles नहीं होंगी. Only the right angles are there whose total is coming as 180 degree. Therefore right angles will be supplementary angles. So how you will write this answer? First of all, you will write the question. Then first is given as acute. Two angles. If two angles are acute, two angles are not two angles are not supplementary if they are acute, as the measures of two acute angles will always be less than 180 डिग्री. दो एंगल्स सप्लीमेंट्री नहीं होंगे अगर वो एक्यूट एंगल हैं. वाई? बिकॉज द मेजर्स ऑफ टू एक्यूट एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज लेस देन 180 डिग्री, एंड फॉर supplementary angles it is necessary that the measure of two angles should be 180 degree. Okay, likewise you will do in second part, that is obtuse. In case of obtuse you will write two angles are not supplementary if they are obtuse, as the measures of two obtuse angles will always be greater than 180 degree. Is it clear? And in case of third, that is right, you will write two angles are supplementary if they are right angles as the measures of two right angles will always be equal to 180 degree. Is it clear? Now question number 6. See, in question number 6 they have given that in the given figure AOB is a straight line and the ray OC stands on it. If angle AOC is 64 degree, then you have to find out BOC. Now yesterday only I have explained you that the total of this will always be 180 degree. Why? Linear pair property. This property is known as linear pair property. जब भी आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन दे और एक कॉमन आर्म हो तो इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? लीनियर पैर एंगल्स बोलेंगे और इनका जो मेजरमेंट है वो हमेशा 180 डिग्री होगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग. Question you will write measure of angle AOC equals to 64 degree, measure of angle BOC equals to x degree. You can write like this: measure of angle AOC plus measure of angle BOC equals to 180 degree. Why? लीनियर पैर प्रॉपर्टी. इस प्रॉपर्टी को क्या बोलते हैं? 180 डिग्री कैसे आता है? लीनियर पैर की वजह से इससे लीनियर पैर प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं और इसका मेजरमेंट 180 डिग्री होता है. नाउ वन एंगल इज गिवन टू यू, दैट इज 64 डिग्री प्लस x डिग्री equals to 180 degree. You will take 64 here, so it will become x degree equals to 180 minus 64. So 180 minus 64 will be 10 minus 4 will be 6, 8 minus 6 will be 7 minus 6 will be 1 and then 1. 116 degree will be your answer. Now this much is for today. The next question we will do in our next class. Thank you.